Olahai. Are you one of those people who believes they aren't creative? Today I want to talk about how to unlock your lost creativity. Lately I've had two conversations with people who believe they aren't creative. That is kind of this ever evaporating force that is not with them. And I think this is understandable, but at the same time it's kind of you doing a disservice to yourself when you believe you're not being creative. So when it's about bringing that creativity back online, the first step that is really important is to broaden that expression of creativity and not just look at people who draw or perform or whatever it is, and to instead ask yourself, where am I in my life already creative? And with creative meaning that you're inventive, you're trying out new things, or you have a very special way of doing things. Maybe you have a very creative way of solving problems. Or that one person I talked to, she said that she is creative when she's cooking. Or it might be that you write very thoughtful messages in a very different way than everybody else. So once you have determined, oh, I am actually creative in the way how I talk to people, how I respond, how I cook, then I ask you to document that, ideally for a month, even daily. If you cook, take a picture of the thing you've cooked, and then ideally make a collage of it by the end of it. Or if you are good at writing thoughtful messages, document that, take a picture of that. It's kind of you are looking for the evidence that in fact you are creative. This is the best way of really proving to that belief system that's so firmly telling you you're not creative, to find the proof that it's simply not true. And then once you have done that, I say spend time with that, like a month or something, like I said before. When you've done that, then the second step is to ask yourself, so how can I expand that creativity? What would I like to play with? Where can I experiment with this? And be curious. And when you found something, whatever it is, just give yourself the permission to do that. And that's what I really would like you to do. And I would like to encourage you to find the creative spirit that's a birthright, from my perspective, for every human being. And so maybe you would like to check out my philosophy on creating freely. I'm putting the link hopefully up here. It's the first time I'm doing this. And if you need some help and support in finding that creativity again, you always can contact me and book a one-to-one coaching session with me. I'm here for you. So here's to uncovering the creativity that in truth you probably never lost. Take good care. Bye-bye.